Hey everybody, this is James. I'm the J in the J&S on a YouTube channel. I just wanted to make a little video. I've had my Millright Mega V CNC here for a couple of months. Been playing around with it, doing a few little projects here and there. So I just wanted to make a video of some stuff that I've done and some things that I found that I've been using that works pretty good for me. And also go over a couple of YouTube channels that have helped me out and give them a shout out. So let me start by saying I bought this. This is a Mega V XL. It has a footprint of approximately 42 by 48 inches. It has a working area of 35 by 35 in the X and Y by 3 3/4 in the Z. I ordered this one with the T-plate bed. As you can see, I've got the T-plate bed. And I actually made a MDF board threaded insert that I can attach to it when I'm doing cut throughs or anything like that. But I use the bed like it is and fasten my wood down to it when I'm doing engravings or anything like that I don't have to worry about going through. I also got the homing switches. You got a homing switch right there. I hope you can see it. It's right there on the Z. And then I got the two right there on the X and the Y. One thing I like about this versus some of the other ones is this has a rack and pinion on the X and Y. If you can see, it's got this rail right here. It's got the teeth in it. And then on your stepper motors, you've got a gear back there that runs along on that. And it's pretty solid. I mean, you got your rollers there with eccentric spacers. So if it gets a little loose, you can tighten those up. If it gets a little loose, you can tighten them up. And you've also got it on the Y. So I really like that a lot. I mean, it seems pretty rigid, seems pretty accurate. The Z, you have linear bearings on the Z with the ball screw back there on the back. And it's done good so far. I mean, I haven't had any problems with it as far as staying true and straight. I added a few things to it. I built an enclosure. It's kind of a redneck enclosure, but I built an enclosure for it. I put some insulation, some foam insulation. It's 1 inch. I lined it with that. I bought LED lights and LED light track. It's LED light strips. And I bought the aluminum track with the diffuser cover, and I put that inside of it. I've also built this door to go on it. I got a plexiglass window in it, and I can put it on. And I put these, I put some inserts in these holes right here, and I've got these screw handles, so I can put the door on, put 2 of those on it, and tighten it down, and it keeps all the sound inside. It's really, really quiet. I got my controller box over here on the side with the e-stop button. I don't have anywhere really to mount it, but I put it over there. So I just wanted to let y'all know that so far I think this is a good machine. I mean, I haven't had any problems. This one came. I got this one with the DeWalt router, the DWP 611 router. I think now they come with the Makita, and I'm happy with it. I mean, it's variable speed. I'm real happy with it. And so I also on this, you can do longer projects. So like I said, you can do 35 by 35. And in the back there, you can see there's a cutout along the foam. I put a door in the back that's hinged. So if I want to run longer material through it, I can open that up and run whatever size material through that I want. And so it's done good so far. I mean, I've not made any big projects with it yet, but it's good. I mean, I'm happy with it. So I hope y'all like it. I mean, I'm hoping I'm giving you some information you can use. I don't know. It's my first time doing a video like this, so what you see is what you get. I don't have any editing software. This is just what you're going to get off my video. I don't have any sponsors. Everything in the video I paid for, not had anything given to me. So I just wanted to let y'all know that. So next thing I want to talk about is I want to talk about a place called PWN CNC. Got their sticker right there. I've ordered this little tool. It's called the Speed Setter, and it's really a cool little tool. I'm gonna try to do this while I'm holding my cell phone. So let's see if I can get this to work. So it comes apart. It comes apart. Let me take it apart here. So you take it apart. It's got two pieces, and you've got these little aluminum plates in here. So you can put them in whichever slot you want to get your depth of your router bit. Now I've got a couple of bits here that I've got set up already, so I'll show you one of them. So here's one here. It's got the collet on it, and you just set your depth what you want it. You put your bit in there with the collar on. So you set this down. I'll set this down one level. So you put that in, put your bit in, put your collar on, and then once your collar's on, you got it loose. You put your top back on, and then it's got an Allen wrench right here that comes with it. It's got the little holder for it. You put your Allen wrench through there, tighten your collar down, and once you got it set, once you got it tightened down, the depth is set, so you can set up 2 or 3 different bits. And because I don't have any kind of touch probe or anything, so I use these, and they work great. I mean, they work really great on that. So I just wanted to give them a shout out. If you go on their website, they've got all kind of different things, and they've got stuff on Thingiverse. It's a clamp I 3D printed. It's got their logo on it right there. Haven't used it yet. It seems like a pretty good clamp. I've got some other various clamps I've been printing out and trying, but this seems to be like it's going to be a pretty solid clamp to use. And they got a lot of really good stuff on their website, and a lot of stuff on Thingiverse too. So check them out. The other thing I want to talk about is I bought this off of Etsy. This is my dust shoe. I bought it off of Etsy. It's from Seasonal Novelties on Etsy. I don't remember how much it cost. It was like $40, $50 or something. It's really 3D printed good. And the thing I really like about it is you use your ring off of your DeWalt router. You use this ring here that you usually use for your adjustment of your depth. This ring, it snaps into place on that. So when you put this on, you can adjust, it screws right on to there, and you can adjust it. I can't do it one-handed, but you screw it on, and you can adjust it up and down for your depth for your router bit. Now this came with a real long dust bristle. I had to cut some of that off, but when you put it on, you can adjust that up and down, and it's pretty good. I mean, I really like it. It's worked so far. It's got a small inlet on it, and I've got a hose that's got a small inlet, so that really works really well for what I've been using it for. So I've just been trying some different things out to see how they work. So so I want to talk about a few YouTube channels also that I watch and subscribe to. It's really good. The first one's going to be IDC Woodcraft. It's Garrett Fromey, and he has a lot of really good information regarding CNC and running a business and stuff on CNC. The second's going to be Samcraft. He's also got a website, sam-craft.com. He's got an Etsy store that's Samcraft store. Got a lot of good stuff on there. He's got plans and stuff you can buy, and he does a lot of stuff. He's got a Shapoko. He built a rolling table for it. And then the last one's going to be Chris Powell, his YouTube channel, and he's got a website called fullsteamdesigns.com. He's got a lot of really good stuff on that, a lot of really good information. So y'all check that out and subscribe to him if you're really, looking for somebody to help you with CNC and the business side of it, the craft side of it. Those are all good places that I found that really give me good information. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Like I say, I'm no professional or anything, so I just thought I'd give y'all some information and show you a little bit about what I've done with my CNC machine. So give me a thumbs up on the video and subscribe if you want to, and I appreciate you watching the video.